Hello children, let me explain to you one example from exercise 6.3, question number 2, sub question number 2, given on page number 32. Okay, the question says simplify 3a plus 5b whole cube minus 3a minus 5b whole cube. So what are we going to do? We will expand one bracket using the formula of a plus b whole cube. As I have always been telling you, when you expand a binomial cube, then you should put blank brackets first and then put the values. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That is the expansion when there is a plus sign between the two monomials. Okay. Then we have simplified this. 3a cube is equal to 27a cube. 3a square is 9a square, 5b as it is. 3 into 3, 9a. 5b whole square, 25b square. 5b whole cube, 125b cube. Simplify. This term remains as it is. 9s are 27, 27 5s are 135, a square b. 25 9s are 225, so plus 225 ab square, a b square and 125 b cube as it is. Now if it is the expansion of a binomial having plus sign cube, then if there is a minus sign here, the signs will oscillate. First term, this term will be positive, second term will be negative. Third will be positive, fourth will be negative. I mean, if you want to get the expansion of this cube, you don't have to do the calculations again. Simply what you do, whatever calculations you have done for the first bracket, only change the signs. And how to change the sign? First positive, always first positive, second negative, then positive, then negative. Okay, so first positive, second negative, third positive, fourth negative. Okay, that is the expansion of the second bracket. Now what we have to calculate, this bracket cube minus this bracket cube. So I have written this bracket cube minus this bracket cube. The expansion of this bracket whole cube, you have already calculated all four positive terms. Write them, all four positive terms. Okay, from your calculation, just copy paste. Okay, then write the expansion of the second bracket. How to write? Only you have to change the alternate signs. First term positive, second negative, third positive, fourth negative. But there is a minus sign between the two brackets. In that case, you have to change the signs of all the terms of the second bracket. So this was the earlier positive, I made it negative. This is negative, I made it positive. This is positive, I made it negative. This is negative, I made it positive. And the new signs will be considered for next step calculations. Okay. So 27a cube, the new sign is minus 27a cube. Cancel, you will get 0 here. No need to write. 135a square b plus 135a square b comes out to be 270a square b. 135 plus 135. This is plus 225 ab square. This is minus 225 ab square. We are considering the new sign. So they change, they cancel. Okay, plus and minus. So the terms will cancel. Then you have 125b cube plus 125b cube. That is 250b cube. So your net answer will be 270a square b plus 250b cube. That is the simplification of this side. So you can write it like this: 3a plus 5b whole cube minus 3a minus 5b whole cube is equal to this. Okay. All the problems are very similar. One more example I am going to explain to you.